Welcome to 7304 River Hammock Drive, Unit 104. This is a coach home in Strand Golf and Country Club. And right off the bat, I want to point out to you one of the things that makes this so unique is its location. You'll see that there is no other coach home building right next to it. And the majority of coach homes are in a row. And so you usually have a neighbor right next to you. And this one is extremely private. So the location is key. Let's take a look on the inside. You do have a 2-car attached garage, but I'm going to go in through this side door. This is where your guests would come in. So this is kind of your front door, but it's on the side. And you walk right in here to the foyer and the dining room area. Very expansive, into your great room. So it's a great open concept with a beautiful flow. And you have your kitchen over here with the dinette. So some people will put a desk there. Other people will do a kitchen table. It's totally up to you. Fantastic kitchen area, very spacious and really easy to work around and cook. It's kind of in a circular fashion. Granite countertops, stainless appliances, and a pantry. You also have this custom tile on the bottom of the wall there. And let's go to another one of the best features, which is this view. Wow, how pretty is that? You've got your own water view, and we are looking out to south here. In the morning, you're going to get awesome sunrises, and come around the later afternoon, the sunsets are going to be through the trees there, so you're not going to get that full heat of the sun in the afternoon here, but you're going to have some lovely sunshine and some absolutely gorgeous views out here. This lanai is huge too. They've done this epoxy finish on here, so it's very easy to care for. They have just kind of like lounge chairs out here, but you can also have more than enough room to have maybe if you wanted to get a dining table. So you've got plenty of room to sit out there and relax and enjoy with guests and just have a great time. Again, here we are in the living area. This unit is being sold furnished, so everything you see except for a couple little items, which are staging, come with this unit as well. Here we have the master suite. They have replaced this carpet, and they have also replaced, it has a newer AC unit in 2019. So that has been done for you, but this is a king size bed, and we have 2 large dressers in here, the bedside tables. So this room is ample for space and really a huge feel. And another fantastic feature, 2 walk-in closets are both the same size, so they're really big, so you'll love that, his and her closets. And here we have the master bath. We have a garden tub and a separate shower, dual vanities, and a private water closet. The door does close there, and then a linen closet. Storage is so key, so I always want to point all of that out for everybody. Custom window treatments. And as we walk through here, we come up to what I like to call the guest suite area. What is so cool about this is if you're having company or you have guests, or maybe you want to use this as an office, you've got your 2 guest bedrooms here. But that's the door to the garage, and then the back is the laundry room. But you also have, there's the guest bathroom, this slider pocket doors. If you want to close this whole area off and make it private and quiet, you can. So we have 2 nice sized secondary bedrooms. This is a queen size bed. So that's great for your guests. And another linen closet. And then we have another bedroom here. And these are actually bunk beds. If you wanted to bunk them, you could. So another great space to be used however you want. Office, bedroom, man cave, you name it. And lastly, the laundry room. So there you go. This is a fantastic coach home, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. It also is located, as I said, in Strand Golf and Country Club, and it comes with the golf deeded membership. So what that means to you is that you are only paying for your cart fees. Your green fees are included in your HOA dues. So that's a huge saving on our beautiful 27 holes that was just recently renovated last year. It is in great shape. And we have 8 pools here. We have 9 Har-Tru clay tennis courts, 8 pickleball courts, 2 fitness centers. I mean, you name it. It's a restaurant, country club, the whole thing, a really vibrant social community. So it's a lot of fun here. I live here, so I know what I'm talking about. If you have any questions, just give me a call, have your realtor set up a showing, or call me if you're not working with somebody, and I would be happy to get you in here because this beauty is not going to last long. Thanks for watching this video.